Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I go jogging every day.
Do you like jogging?
Yes, it's my favorite exercise.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise every morning.
What time do you usually exercise?
Around 6:30 a.m.
Where do you usually jog?
I usually jog in the park.
Do you exercise alone?
Sometimes, but I enjoy exercising with friends.
Why do you exercise?
To stay healthy and fit.
Do you enjoy morning walks?
Yes, they make me feel relaxed.
What's your favorite exercise?
Jogging is my favorite.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, twice a week.
How long do you exercise?
About 45 minutes.
Do you like outdoor exercise?
Yes, I love the fresh air.
Is exercise important to you?
Yes, it's part of my daily routine.
Do you listen to music while running?
Yes, it keeps me motivated.
What's the best time to exercise?
I think early morning is the best.
What's your fitness goal?
I want to stay healthy.
Do you drink water after jogging?
Yes, I drink plenty of water.
Thank you for practicing English with us today. Keep exercising and keep improving your English every day.
See you in the next video.